kubor baman kesngi awalam shipi da unang yalam ni
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma ulai kendo iyo Prime Minister Narendra Modi hadir Delhi pan yakran yi babon ke benta pan klan yi kayo kakot jong gajala pan bhai yi kakot ke khya ban kentiu yi kam chungu kai prothei bat yi kam pan roy kini ki argot kino yalam ke tai shibun ki ek ban kentiu yi gajala me khalia hagaun karshan pisa na ka central ban pe pisa ta ka sarkar pdeng Conrad ula submit ikot kisla na ka benta ka jingmentoi jong gajala me khalia bat banang teng ga jingkarshan pisa nagliang jong sarkar India ki benta ki bakongsan ki bakenthop ye ki benta ban pene pensa ekariti dostur bat ban kentiu ye khaye pateng bat ban kentiu ro ye ka New Shillong city
of economic growth or in terms of the social aspects and aspects related to the health and education sector of our state. All of these aspects were discussed with the Honorable Prime Minister. And I also shared some of the challenges and concerns that we have. I also requested the Honorable Prime Minister that if certain aspects in the upcoming budget and upcoming Finance Commission's reports could also be looked into, suggestions were made in those lines as well. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his leadership, especially when it comes to the northeast part of India, as well as the state of Meghalaya in particular. A large development aspect and different programs and schemes have been given to the northeast, which have made a huge difference. Our state of Meghalaya has also benefited largely. As you're all aware, in the last 8 years, Meghalaya has seen tremendous growth in terms of its GSDP, where we are the second fastest growing economy, as well as an economy that has consistently grown at an average of about 10% in the last 3 years. So all of these aspects were presented to the Honorable Prime Minister, and we look for continuous support from his end and from the Government of India's end for taking the state of Meghalaya forward. Thank you so much.
banyo iki kubor baman kesngi sumhawan subscribe ka channel unang yalam news kumle shibu